Hi, my name is Fabian Manana, and the title of my speech is Lost in Translation: How Miscommunication Fuel Conflicts. This communication gap is not just about words, body language, silence, and even the timing of communication all carry meaning that can be lost in cross cultural interaction. Remember that raised eyebrows might signal confusion in one culture but anger is in another. Introduction. Beyond online platform, historical event highlights the danger of miscommunication. Take the Crusades, a series of religious wars between Christians and Muslims. Cultural and linguistic barrier fueled misunderstanding, leading to centuries of bloodshed. Imagine if leaders had prioritized diplomacy, fostering communication and understanding of each other's belief. Communication gap. This communication gap is not just about words, body language, silence, and even the timing of communication. All carry meaning that can be lost in cross-cultural interactions. Remember that raised eyebrows might signal confusion in one culture but anger in another. How do we bridge this communication gap? First, the first step is acknowledging the problem. We need to be aware of our own cultural biases and how they might cloud our understanding. Second, secondly, let's actively listen. Don't just wait for turn to speak. Try to grasp the deeper meaning behind the words. Third, finally, embrace culture exchange. Learning about different communication styles, holidays, and traditions foster empathy and understanding. And lastly, the world is becoming increasingly interconnected. By prioritizing clear and respected communication across cultures, we can build bridges of understanding and collaboration. Let's embrace culture exchange programs, invest in translation services, and actively listen to one another. Remember, effective communication is not a magic trick. It's commitment to understanding each other's language, both verbal and nonverbal. By fostering this commitment, we can create a world there where cultural difference become a source of strength, not conflict. Bagay po. Thank you for listening to my speech.